Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a full review of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed SUV that's turning heads in the market. Whether you're considering this as your next car or you're just a car enthusiast, stick around because we're breaking everything down in full detail, from exterior and interior to performance and pricing, without skipping a beat. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson looks futuristic and bold. Up front, you get a striking new parametric grille design that blends seamlessly with the LED headlamps, creating a high-tech, aggressive front profile. The daytime running lights are uniquely shaped and integrated directly into the grille pattern, giving it a signature light profile that's hard to miss. From the side, the character lines are sharp and pronounced, paired with stylish 18 to 19-inch alloy wheels that give it a strong and sporty stance. At the rear, you'll find connected LED tail lamps that stretch across the boot, a hidden rear wiper under the spoiler, and an overall clean, premium finish that elevates its road presence. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 Tucson feels premium from the moment you step in. The interior layout is minimalistic yet packed with tech. You're greeted with a dual-tone color scheme, soft-touch materials on the dashboard and doors, and a very open, airy feel thanks to the large panoramic sunroof. The 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster is bright, easy to read, and customizable, while the 10.25-inch central touchscreen supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly. The center console has now gone completely touch-based, including the AC controls, giving the dashboard a sleek, futuristic look. Comfort is a major highlight. The front seats are well bolstered, ventilated, and electrically adjustable, making long journeys relaxing. In the back, rear passengers get excellent legroom and headroom, thanks to the extended wheelbase. The rear seat offers a center armrest, rear AC vents, and USB charging ports for added convenience. The cushioning is soft but supportive, and the seatback angle feels just right for a relaxed posture during long drives. Boot space is generous, making it great for family trips or even heavy luggage. Under the hood, the 2025 Tucson comes with multiple engine options depending on the region, including a 2.0-liter petrol, a 2.5-liter petrol, and hybrid or plug-in hybrid variants in some markets. The performance is smooth and responsive, with excellent throttle control and refined gear shifts through the automatic transmission. The suspension setup is tuned to offer a perfect balance between city comfort and highway stability. Whether you're driving through urban streets or taking on rougher roads, the Tucson feels composed and confident. Noise insulation is also impressive, offering a quiet cabin experience even at higher speeds.